strings and bows, and you know I'm talking 20s. I want Zappa and brothers that be bumping in my ride to side.
Imagine myself up in the 6'4" clowning, hopping off the ground, triple gold beats bouncing, backs in the back with dicks, people good settings, jamming the song, bumping out of my trunk. You know my setup be plus, and commentating my ducks. The switch hitting banging on the corner, three-wheeler, black triple gloss with the metal plates beam. Glide through the city without the cracking the phone. Summer breeze gotta have my rag top down, homie. With 412s knocking up the #1 hit. My glass patch hacking up and down the street. Competition 350 souped up, it's all trick. If the pope try to get me, hit the nitro switch. But on a good day, I'm jumping side to side with my whistles in a plus G-Ride.
I want a triple classy on my Chevy. I want Daniel strings and bows. No, I'm talking 20s. I want Zappa and brothers that be bumping in my ride. I want hydraulics for the summer, see me swinging side to side.
Hit the low ride position on them hooded spoke D's with the mirrors on the ground, see the chrome underneath. Original interior be off the hook sweet, from the panels to dash and the 3 bucket seats. Fully restored like we rolling in the 60s. I got the 1-3 so tuck it in with 20s. Did I mention how my ducks put in button front to back, side to side, off the ground, don't look. If you ain't got the hops or the bread, don't bother. My ducks got the hops that the squat bench squad. Spectators tripping when I'm bleeding with the relay. I'm the type of G that had the crowd go bananas when I'm spinning off them 20-inch katanas.
I want that candy apple color, triple glossy on my Chevy. I want Daniel strings and bows, and you know I'm talking 20s. I want Zappa and brothers.
More life up since rise up and give thanks and stop stressing.
So this is the song that I sang it to my son when I held him with my arms. And yeah, it's my song for you, son. Love you. I have my share of life up and down, but faith be kind, and doubts have been fear. Well, I guess you could say that I've been lucky. Yes, I guess you could say that all because of you. If anyone should ever write my life story, for every reason there might be, to be there between each line of pain and glory. 'Cause you're the best thing that ever happened to me. 'Cause you're the best thing that ever happened to me.